Janice Ferreira da Silva is 40 years old, a mother and a grandmother, and until September this year, she didn't exist, at least not officially. She lacked documentation to prove she's a Brazilian citizen. She was never registered and has survived doing odd jobs all her life while looking for her birth records. She and her family share a tiny shack in one of Rio de Janeiro's favelas, or slums.
It's horrible. You can't get anything, do anything at all. Those who have papers don't know what it is to live without them. It's a nightmare that finally is over.
Over thanks to a brother who recently found his papers and was able to prove that she was his sister. But her story is not unique. According to the latest official numbers, there are still an estimated 3 million Brazilians who haven't been registered in any way. To try to help the undocumented, this bus from the Rio de Janeiro Court of Justice is one of the ways to begin a complicated process that can take months or years. Every Friday, social workers and judges attend to dozens of people seeking documentation. In Brazil, without a birth certificate, it is impossible to get an ID, enroll at school, work, have access to the public health system, or receive any social benefits. To put it simply, Brazilians in this situation are not considered citizens. Raquel Crispino, a judge who has been working with undocumented Brazilians for the past 15 years, says under-registration is a serious and an age-old problem in Brazil.
It would be necessary to have a national coordinated ID database system. It doesn't exist, and therefore so many poor Brazilians, people that don't have any resources and come from different states, end up suffering what I call is a document exclusion.
But if there is a silver lining for former so-called invisible people like Janice, it's that with her brand new ID card, she will be able to have a work permit and, most importantly, register her family so they can get ahead in life. Lucrecia, Franco, CGTN, Rio de Janeiro.